Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share how to download and install Affinity. First go to affinity.studio, click on Get Affinity button on the top right, and click on Sign up to download. If you already have Canva account, you can sign in directly. Otherwise, you need to sign up first. After sign in, you'll be directed to the download page. There you can choose which operating system you're using. I'm going to install this to my Windows laptop, so I'm clicking the Download for Windows button. After finish downloading, click the executable file and follow the instructions to install. Now after the installation is completed, click the app icon to open. Log in with your account. And there you go. You have successfully installed Affinity. Thanks for watching.